everybody, Average Model Guy here, and Average Model Gal, girl, daughter.
Hi.
This is my daughter Ava. We're hopping on here. Welcome all my new members to the channel. I've gained a few over the past couple days after our model competition, and that's why we're on here today. We're gonna go over the highlights from our model show experience for the Shutterbug 2021. I'll go ahead and start out with Ava here and her model. Go ahead.
Grease lightning.
Grease lightning, yay!
I can't see it.
Yeah, it's okay. You can. You can take it a little closer.
I don't want that to fall off the engine.
Yep. All right, go ahead and show them your award that you got for it.
It's right on top.
Yep.
I get second place.
And what division?
Juniors.
Juniors, which is what age group?
13 to 17.
13 to 17. Good job, Ava. Awesome. All right, and then we'll go into mine.
But then when I pick up...
All right, so I took first place. You can see it. It's kind of hard to see with that glare from the light. There we go. There we go. Just got to angle it down. I took first place here in large diorama. It's going to be kind of hard to show all of this on camera, so bear with me here.
Frank.
It's okay. Here's my large diorama. I did 3 ships, the USS Nassau, the closest one there, and then middle is the USS Sacramento, and then the USS Antietam. So I got first place for those. Next up, my lovely assistant here will hand me the next one. That one. All right, next up I took first place in construction equipment. And I took first with my construction bulldozer. You see I weathered the crap out of this bad boy. Even got some mud on the front blade there. So yep, that was the first place. And then my final winning one, I took third in the foreign class. I was really surprised with this one. I didn't think I'd win anything with it. But hey, I'll take it. And this is, I think it's a 77 Nissan Skyline GT. I went ahead and painted it up kind of like Top Gun. Weathered it, made it look like a jet airplane. Got the Top Gun logo. Of course, got the Navy in the back. And then it's going to kind of hard to get inside, but if you can see in there good enough, I actually put ejection handles on the seats in there. Kind of had a little fun with it. But yeah, even got the names. I think that's Goose on that side, and then I've got Maverick on that side. You can see it. Yep. So yeah, that was our models for the competition. We had a lot of fun. What was your favorite part of the model show this year?
Free stuff.
Free stuff? What free stuff did you get?
Moon pie.
Moon pie stuff, huh? You got some moon pie koozies in a bag, didn't you?
I was gonna get a shot, but I didn't hear what size he said.
Yeah. I got a model for a door prize, so that was pretty cool. I just had a lot of fun this year. I mean, there was a lot of competition. I think he said over 300 some models, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite model on the show?
That one.
Yeah. Aside from mine, what was your favorite one? No? You really like my diorama? That was your favorite one out of all of them? Oh, well, thank you. My favorite one this year was, there was a UFO in the sci-fi division, like a glass thing. I guess it was supposed to be like a laser beam coming down. There was a little alien in there. It was a cute little setting. I mean, everybody did really good this year. There were so many good models this year, and it was kind of weird because I had 2 models in there that I thought I would win with, but didn't win. It was, yeah, you just never know. Yeah, my Dodge Daytona car, and then my Operation Sandy Flush airplane.
I lost to some diorama thing.
Yes, you did, and that was a pretty cool looking diorama, wasn't it?
I didn't look at it.
You didn't?
I don't look at my competition.
You don't look at your competition, huh? Probably a smart move, huh? Alright, well that was fun. But yeah, great show. The Shutterbug 2021 Shutterbug Scale Model Nationals. It was a lot of fun. Looking forward to the freeze frame that's coming up in January. Can't wait for that one. That's going to be another awesome show. And Ava and I have already got some new models we're going to be building to stick in that show. You want to give them kind of a hint on what you're going to be building for the show? Or are you just going to make it a secret? Oh, she can make it a secret. Okay.
It involves the dinosaurs.
Involves the dinosaur. There's your clue, folks. It involves the dinosaurs. All right.
And I'm also entering my grease car.
Oh, you're gonna enter your grease car again? You want to Try to get that first this time? All right, cool. I've got a 1/18 scale Harrier jet. It is huge. That model is going to be huge, so I'm going to be putting that one together. That probably will take me to January to finish. I'm going to try to build a couple more while I'm building that one too. I've got some military transports that I'm going to build. Wasn't much in that. I've got a couple construction models I like to build. The host of the show, Mr. Ferguson, he was like kind of disappointed that there wasn't a whole lot of construction models. I think there was only 2 in the class, so I think we're gonna try to take up some slack and get some construction models in there. I've got a dump truck, and then there's another dump truck I was looking at that I might want to build. So I don't know. We'll see how much time I've got to build some models. So we'll see what happens, and maybe you can get another one in by that time too. What? What's your one more hint? Yabba dabba doo. Okay, I think that might just give it away.
It's a cereal. It has it on there.
And cereal has it on there too. Okay, there's your clues. If you can't get it,
if you don't know it, then disappointed.
You're either really young or you just really old and forgot at this point. So, that's a little joke. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. She'll read it and she'll probably thank you for it. So, again, thanks for tuning in for our model and seeing our lovely models we put in the competition and our awards. And we'll catch you in the next video. Got a couple of videos coming up. Actually, I've got a GTO Super Stalker that I recorded. I got unboxing, and I've got the builds for that we're going to be posting here pretty shortly. And then we'll get the unboxing of the Harrier, and then some build videos. There's probably going to be several videos for that one because it's so big. So, but we'll see you guys in those videos. All right, take it easy.